Tired of your Android battery draining too fast? In this guide, you'll learn quick and effective settings tweaks that help reduce power usage and keep your phone running longer throughout the day. Step 1. Turn on dark mode and disable adaptive brightness. Open settings, then go to display. At the top, select dark mode to reduce power usage from your screen, especially on AMOLED displays. Next, scroll down and find adaptive brightness. Turn it off so your phone stops constantly adjusting brightness using sensors. Instead, manually set brightness to a comfortable low level for better battery control. Step 2. Set 60 Hz. Refresh rate and reduce screen timeout. Go back to display settings and tap motion smoothness. Choose standard 60 Hz instead of high or adaptive refresh rate. This reduces power consumption significantly. Tap apply to confirm. Now return and find screen timeout. Set it to 15 or 30 seconds so your display turns off quickly when not in use, saving battery throughout the day. Step 3. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Open settings, then tap location. Go into location services or location accuracy. Find the option called improve accuracy. Turn off both Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. These features keep searching in the background even when you are not using them, which drains battery silently. Step 4. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Go back to settings, then open notifications, then click on app notifications. Here you will see a list of all apps. Disable notifications for apps you don't need by toggling them off. This reduces background wake-ups and helps your phone stay idle longer. Step 5. Enable battery protection. Open settings and go to battery. Tap battery protection. Turn it on and choose a mode. Basic mode stops charging at 100% and resumes at 95%, reducing battery stress. Maximum mode limits charging to around 80% for the best long-term battery health. Step 6. Turn on power saving mode. Finally, go back to battery settings and enable power saving mode. This reduces background activity, limits performance slightly, and extends battery life throughout the day. By following these steps carefully, your Android phone will consume less power, stay cooler, and last significantly longer on a single charge.